Hi, I'm Laura and I'm a Utah Realtor. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of a home that's located in South Jordan. It's in a community called Daybreak. And if you're looking for a home that's under $1 million with a great floor plan that has the perfect blend of luxury and sustainability, then this just might be the place for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at this property. This home is built by Sego Homes. There are 5 spacious bedrooms in this home, 3.5 bathrooms, and just over 3,200 square feet. This home does come with a 3-car garage. It offers a unique solution for multi-generational living. It has separate entrances. It provides the privacy and independence while also fostering the togetherness under one roof. The surrounding landscape provides views of the watercourse. It has a playground out there. It's a beautiful area. Daybreak is an HOA community with some family-friendly amenities. There's a biz out there as well as other things. This home is also known as a legacy, and it's built with eco-conscious living in mind with zero-emission design. I've also included additional information in the description that I think will be beneficial and help you. If you have any questions, you go ahead and always reach out to me. I'll be happy to locate the information if it's not in here. And meanwhile, go ahead and sit back and enjoy, relax. Let me know what your thoughts are, what your favorite features are in the comments. And meanwhile, thank you for subscribing to my channel so I can continue to bring you these videos. And I'll see you on the next video.